Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
If your dishwasher is making a clicking sound and won't start, it could be an issue with the door latch or the electronic control. The door latch may not be engaging properly, preventing the dishwasher from starting as a safety feature. Alternatively, the electronic control might have encountered a fault. First, ensure the door is firmly closed. If the issue persists, inspect the door latch for damage or obstructions. If nothing is amiss there, consult a professional technician to examine the electronic controls for any necessary repairs.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.